Today, take a look at the AMPCOM crimping kit. First thing I noticed with this is that this actually has a decent weight to it, especially for like a crimping kit. I'm used to these things just weighing nothing. This actually has some density to it. So we got our strand reliefs, we got our connectors, and these are pass-through connectors. So they gave us some flush cutters, and these are very nice ones as well. They got a nice rubber grip on them. Flush cutters are great because, of course, you can cut a cable with it, but also if you just need to nip off something flush, you know, that's what it's for, the flush cutter. We got our jacket cutting tool for getting the insulation off. It also has a punch down on the end. These are pretty standard. We also have the luxury version of that. You can see we have a cutter right there. We also have a blade here for cutting off the jacket, and this one is adjustable. So if you need to cut down jackets that are especially thick, this is the tool you want to use for that. We have a punch down tool. So if you're wiring a structure for Ethernet and you want to have those keystones, what this is going to do, that's going to pass over the terminal so you can press the wire into it, and then this blade is going to cut off the excess. Also, this one is spring loaded, so this is a premium style punch down tool. Very nice. We got a long line of hook and loop cable tie. Very handy to have that. And this is the crimping tool. So you can see we got a lock right there. If I press that in on the other side, it allows it to open up. And then if I wanted to close it down, we can just lock that in. And we can see on the other side, this does have a blade, so we can cut off those ends from the pass-through connectors. It also comes with 2 extra blades, so in the event that this thing actually wears out, if you're doing a ton of connectors, you can actually replace that. This also has a metal clip crimper and a spot for RJ45 and RJ11. And they even give us a little driver just for changing out that blade. So if we want to put a new end on here, cut that jacket back. We got a little pull string in there. We can get rid of that. That is also just for adding strength to the cable. And then we'll undo our twisted pairs. And some of these cables have this reinforcement in it. So this is what we're looking for: orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. And to make this a little easier, I usually trim this a little bit short, just to make everything even. This is the main benefit of the pass-through, is that you can check and make sure that everything is good before you actually crimp that down. And we will install that in the crimper. We'll make sure all the wires pass through and give it a squeeze. That is our connector, and then we can put our strain relief back on. Very nice. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice kit.